Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another brand new video. When we want to buy any cosmetics or any skincare products, the first thing we will see is ingredients, whether the ingredients suits our skin or not, right? But after reading those ingredients, we stay confused because we don't understand what the ingredient is. Is it? It happens with me. Does it happens with you all? If it, please do comment below. So today I brought a solution for that confusion. I found a website where you can find a detailed chart of every ingredient of your cosmetics or a skincare product. Okay? So let us see what is that website, what is that, how to analyze each and every ingredient, whether it suits your skin or not. So let us see.
So guys, now I'll type ingredients DNA. So when I was searching all the ingredients about my products, I found this website. It's very interesting, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. So this is the website, prat'sdiary.com. I don't know, it's not yet verified or something. So here is the search box where we have to type our product name. So I'll search for this Neutrogena sunscreen, which I used for many years. So here it is. This is the sunscreen which I used, Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry. Yeah, this is the one. So after typing the required product, you'll get this kind of a table where you will have different columns like ingredients, the functionality of the ingredient, and since it is a sunscreen, how it works for UV protection and how it works on acne, and whether the product causes any irritation or anything, or how safe the ingredient is. These are the columns we have. So let us see. Okay, so here is the first ingredient we gave. The functionality of the ingredient is used in the sunscreen, as a sunscreen. So this product is used for UVA protection, and it also protects from UVB, but it's not 100% protective. Acne, no, I think it won't cause any acne. It won't cause any irritation. The safety level is 2, and green. Green is it's kind of safe, yes. When coming to the second ingredient, it is also used for sunscreen. It won't protect from any UVA. It protects from UVB, and the safe. It won't have any acne and irritation. The safety of the product, the chemical, actually the safety is how harsh the chemical is. So it's 4. 4 is neither dangerous nor too safe. It's a semi in the middle kind of thing. Yes, you can use. So these are the ingredients and their functionality. So let us check this. Oxybenzone, this is a product used for sunscreen, and here you're seeing this 8 in red color, which is very high in number, which is not that safe to the skin. It's not at all safe. Red means it's kind of a dangerous chemical used in this product, and here you have seen 1. As 5 is the highest, 1 is the minimum. It may cause acne, it's not sure, but may slightly chance of causing acne, but not 100%. So this is how the products are safe or not. And coming here, these are the ingredients used for preservatives. Okay, here paraben is a preservative. It won't cause acne and irritation, but it is not that safe. It's not at all safe for future use, long-term use. So this is how we have to check for our product. Okay, so let us check another product which claims as safe and herbal product. Okay, so now let us check another product. Here I am typing forest essentials. The thing is, it does not have in all the products, it has only some products. So this is the product I am using. So let us check this. So here is the thing: acne, irritation and safety, and the purpose. As you can see, this is the only product which has the yellow mark. Everything is green. I don't have any parabens or any harsh chemicals. You can see no acne causing problem, no irritation causing things. So this is it. I hope this is useful for you, but I'm not sure how it is how accurate and correct is, but I found it and I thought it is useful. It is better to share with you guys because it may be useful for you guys.
If you like this video, please hit on that like button and do subscribe to this channel. This is Praty.